Bang, chicken and rice. When you start eating chicken and rice, that's the end of your life. I'm actually really sick of what we're looking at here. All of this, I don't know, it's kind of turned into my daily driver for dinners, and I'm incredibly bored of it. And to be honest, I don't enjoy eating anymore. That's kind of the bodybuilding lifestyle though. You know, I mean, you can even see right there some nasty calluses. Your hands get nasty and your dinners go into, you know, terrible blandness. But your bench goes up and you start having boobs. So that's kind of good. That's kind of cool. Let's devour this though real quick. I got to add one more thing to it. Boom. A big old scoop of puke right in the middle of it. This right here has been saving my life. If you need help with chicken and rice, the chicken isn't super, you know, it's not super moist. It's not, hopefully it's not like a desert dry, but if you need to add something that is gonna save your life with chicken and rice, please add guac. This stuff is unbeatable. Let's mog. Here's the deal with today's, I almost said leg day. I don't do those. Here's the deal with today's arm day. I either have perfect form and we'll have a good arm day. Or if I ego lift slightly, my shoulder will literally implode and it'll put me into retirement. This shoulder has kept me out of the gym like almost this whole week because I'll usually do legs on like the weekends, like off camera, allegedly. And when it's the weekdays, I like to do a little, you know, chest, arms, back. But with the left shoulder being out, it's just like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. My life has crumbled. I feel dead. I mean, I don't even want to do cardio. That's how bad it's gotten. Unrelated to the left shoulder. I'm just throwing that out there. Let's start with some alternating curls, though. I think that's a good place to start. And just, you know, calmly ease into this bicep day. I think what also adds to this whole entire incredible arm day, aside from just the shoulder being, you know, annoying, fussy, sassy, whatever you want to call it, I think it's also great that I have a raging headache. and my pee is probably the same color as Mountain Dew. It's not been a good day. I got into the BO6 grind, and I haven't stopped. It's bad. I've stopped showering. Oh my gosh. I mean, I've taken not even a full week off the gym, and it honestly feels like I've been out for like maybe 2 months at least. I don't know what's happening. I feel so weak and crumbled. £50, we're reuniting on the alternating dumbbell curls. It's been a while. Not even a full week, but I have missed you. That was amazing, actually. I think we got to hit a little pump check. I'm not going to lie. I mean, when you hit good form, and that was only 3 sets, almost stripped over the dumbbells on the floor. Honestly, incredible pump. Let's go check it real quick. I mean, even as dehydrated as I am, and I ate good food. I haven't eaten like unhealthy today. I've eaten, I don't know, I think I'm probably in like the 2,500 range of calories, 26 maybe. I haven't been counting my calories this week. I'm not gonna lie, I've been slacking on everything. But, kind of out of breath. But for, you know, hydration today, it's like a 0 out of 10. Like I said, I've just been a zombie on the new Black Ops. I'm not moved out of my chair until just now. So rating this pump, I'd say like a 6 out of 10. It's really good though for no like low water. Matter of fact, I'm gonna get a sip. Hydration check. Get your water. As always, the shirt's staying on because we're bulking. So, I'm not gonna show you my gut there. Let's get into some hammer curls. It's also been a minute for these too. All right, hammer curls are feeling not good, but luckily not on my shoulder, just purely like, I don't know, my biceps are already fatigued after 3 sets. I'm extremely out of shape. This is going downhill fast. My pants bag up in this section, so calm down. I'm not sitting here doing arm day with a parachute down there. Ugh. Let's get 8 reps here, something casual. Oh my gosh. My head is throbbing. I feel like someone's playing drums on my head. And I'm listening to hardstyle, so it's like both negative. We're gonna do straight arm curls for the last thing. I feel like trash. You guys need to hydrate. I dropped down to the 40s too because I feel like my form was slipping a little bit. And I don't like that. I think I'm gonna stay at the 40s. That shoulder is feeling disgusting. It's like edging me. It's giving me like a little pain, and so it's gonna snap. Shoulder, stay with me, please. I think got the last rep. I'm struggling a lot. We got one more set, and then I'm going to bed. Speed run, speed run, speed run. That's failure. Look at this like cloud of just disaster. Badly need to shower. Thanks for watching the arm day video. If you made it this far, as always, really appreciate that. I'm zapped. I'm absolutely gassed. I feel like I haven't slept in forever. It's 2 a.m. right now. Let me see. Go ahead, take a peek for me. I know it's backwards, but it says 1:54, and that is a.m. Sleep's been kind of non-existent. Now, I kind of honestly lost track of the word in general, but what it comes to lifting, we're still locked in, kinda. Honestly, this is just what I want to do. I'm just gonna, you know, nice dark room, and there it is. There's my favorite thing in the world. Like, subscribe, comment anything you would add or remove to the video. Don't say you're gonna remove me, because I'm not going anywhere. Goodbye.
Subscribe to MickWiddd. If you haven't subscribed, then what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button right here. It takes one click. It's so easy.